Yep. And here we go. I'm probably just a few minutes away from re-priming these things. Those I'll probably hang like they are. Who knows? I don't know. Doesn't matter. I just have a couple 2x4s I cut down into 4-foot lengths, lash them to my my sawhorses, and that's that. I'm going to do probably 2 or 3 good coats. This isn't done at all. Wow. 2 or 3 good coats of primer, and I guess I could mow my lawn. That's what I could do. Yep. Oh wow. Need to blow these things down really well before I prime them. Oh god damn it. It figures. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh, I've got a high build primer, so there we go. It's gonna get built up high. Yep. Alright, this is the first coat. I'm putting it on very, very lightly so it doesn't drip or run. Maybe I gotta move my car too. So I'm not too displeased by the surface of this, that being my preparation of it. You can see all the spots that are going to be soaking in the primer. I saw that on the body prep as well, so I'll let this get tacky for about 10 minutes or so, and then I'll put the next coat on. Yeah. Now look at that. These are particularly pain in the ass like because they keep on twisting. I expected that. And again, you're looking at dull versus shiny. This dull is where that Bondo was. This Bondo will suck in that that primer. This is why I always like to prime the bare metal before I do any body work to it. In some cases where you saw before, where I'd send it off all kinds of stuff, didn't matter. But I've got some rework in here to do. I think that's not a drip. That's a drip. Fuck. No. That's from the prior paint. This is my battery cover. This will take another couple of coats. I am just interested in doing the underside because on the outer side, the side that you can see, I'm gonna cover with Dynamat. So it doesn't matter if it's painted. This already painted. It's primered with green primer. Ugly. And this one. So again, I'm not too displeased by the workmanship anyway. Yeah. I have a leaky dang gun. I need to redo all of the unions and joints and things. Yeah, you can hear it going. I've learned to do over the years to check my spray pattern and how much I'm putting down. I put a piece of plastic over the wall, or I've used sheets before. I've used all kinds of different stuff. And I set the spray pattern, I spray it, and actually it's a very good coat. very good coat. This is nice and just about perfect for my laydown anyway. It's not a very heavy coat. So, yep. There it is. There's the final product. What you're looking at is a Fender that needs more work. I think a lot more work. And well, maybe not. So what I'm looking at through the screen here, maybe I can get a better idea, show you a better idea. Right in here. There and there are what looks like bumps, but they're wet spots. So I just need to let the whole thing dry out thoroughly before I say, or before I claim victory or not. I know that I'm going to have a bump right there. You see that? And I'm going to have to think about whether I'm going to take this back down and rebondo or just say fuck it. I don't want to say fuck it, but you know where I'm going with that. Oh man, that back hurts. 3 active duty tours on ships and my back is fucking hashed. This one, some area right there, center screen, that may need some work. See that? I don't think it's a trick of the, yeah, it's a low spot. I can see it, which is right there. And I can probably do it with glazing putty or something else, but I can take care of that. There's me. Again, this needs to dry out better. Let me see if I can find a before shot of this poor, hashed out, ugly duckling of a thing that was in such terrible shape. And this is the one that I thought I'd just out and out say fuck it and get rid of, replace with something I could work with, but I worked with this. I have a lot of hours into this one. This one, not so much. Didn't need it. It's not bad. Not bad. Yep.